Hi there, and welcome to this video on making a booking in Hallmaster. If you're watching this video, then that means that this venue uses Hallmaster, the state-of-the-art booking system. Over the next couple of minutes, we'll show you just how easy and intuitive it is to make a booking in Hallmaster. Let's get started. This is the venue's booking scheduler, as provided by Hallmaster. By default, the scheduler displays the entire month's worth of bookings, but you can change the timescale that's displayed in the scheduler here. Clicking on Week shows a week's worth of bookings. Day shows all the bookings in a single day. And Agenda shows a week's worth of bookings in list form. Here at the top, all the rooms or facilities at this venue are shown, colour-coded to make them easier to view. Here, in this drop-down menu, all the rooms in the venue are listed. Selecting one will filter what is displayed in the scheduler, showing bookings for just that room or facility. For example, if we select Meeting Room, the scheduler will show just those bookings taking place in the meeting room. And if we select Main Hall, we can see all the bookings taking place there, etc. Each booking in the scheduler shows some basic information about that event. By clicking on a booking, you can see some more details about that event. For example, by clicking on the Toddlers Art Group booking, we can see some more information about the customer that's made this booking, when this event is happening, and because this is a recurring booking, we can see some future dates where this event will happen again. Now, to make a booking, find the correct date when you'd like to make the booking, and click on the blue plus icon in the corner of the box. If this is the first time you've used Hallmaster, you will be asked to enter your details here. If you've already used Hallmaster, simply log in using your username and password. This will take you to the booking request form. First, select the room or facility you'd like to make the booking for. Add the event name. In this example, we'll make a booking for a neighbourhood watch meeting. Then select the start date and time, and the end date and time. If it's a recurring booking that happens on a regular basis, tick this box here. For this example, we won't make a recurring booking. Then select the type of activity this booking is. This will help categorise the booking and help make sure the right booking charge is used. The activities listed in this drop-down menu will vary depending on how the venue itself has set up its account. Then you can add any additional line items. These are optional extra charges that can be added onto the booking. For example, for this neighbourhood watch meeting, we're going to need to hire a PA system, which will be included in the booking fee. Next, you can add a short description of the booking. Then you can choose the privacy settings for this booking. This means whether or not this booking will show up in the scheduler. We'll set this one to public, which means anyone looking at the schedule for this venue will be able to see this booking. Next, you can set how many people will be attending. Here, you can put any special requirements that might be needed for the booking. At this point in the booking form, you might come across some extra sections that will have been added by that particular venue. We won't include these in this example, as they are specific to the venues themselves. Once you've checked out the hall's terms and conditions by clicking on the link, tick the box here. Again, there may be an extra field at this point, where a venue has added some extra terms and conditions, such as a privacy policy, for example. But since this is specific to each individual venue, we haven't included that in this example. Once all these details are complete, you can click Save. You can see in the scheduler that this booking now shows up as a provisional booking. This means that you've requested the booking, but it hasn't yet been confirmed by the venue itself. Once the venue admin has confirmed this booking, it will appear like this and show exactly what booking it is. Thanks for watching this video on how to make a booking at a venue using Hallmaster's booking system. To find out more about how Hallmaster is helping venues and customers alike, visit the Hallmaster YouTube channel and the Hallmaster website. Thanks for watching.